Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Day of the Dead Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our Day of the Dead Godzilla, we're going to be drawing the outline first. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up. Then I'm going to bring this out and come up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to curve this around and up here for the tail. Now, starting here, I'm going to begin by making a couple little zigzag lines for the teeth. I'm going to draw a line down. Then I'm going to make some more zigzag lines for the teeth here. I'm going to bring this down and up. Then I'm going to bring this down here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve it. Make this up and down, and then back up. Then I'm going to bring this in right here. Next, let's draw this line down for the stomach. Then we'll curve this line down. I'll draw a line out and then down, out and in, out, and then back in here for the feet. Then I'll bring this up here. Next, for the tail, let's bring this line around, make it a little thinner, and then curve around here. Then, starting here for the spikes, let's draw some 3 little pointed spikes coming all the way along the back. So we're just going to do some 3 pointed ones all the way across here. Kind of looks like some little crowns. And we're just going to draw these all around here. Okay, so we have our basic shape of Godzilla. Now we want to come in here and start adding all the details inside. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of follow the shape of the top of the head there. Then I'm going to bring a line across. Then I'm going to bring this around and kind of curve. Then I'll curve this up here. I'm going to bring this down and then over. And then I'll curve this around and bring it up for the jaw. Let's draw a diagonal line like this for the eye. And then a smiley face. Then I'm going to put some bumps around it so it kind of looks like a little flower design around there. I'll do a circle for the nostril. Now, down here, I'm going to make a long line that comes down. And then we're going to fill this with some bumps right along here for some different details. I'm going to draw a heart shape right here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve down and then back up for some detail. Then let's make some circle shapes right here. For a bone shape, let's make 2 bumps here and then 2 bumps here. And then go ahead and connect them. I'll draw a little circle on each end. Then I'll make an oval shape right here. And then inside of here, we'll make 3 little kind of points for some little bones. Right here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come up and down, kind of like a hook. Then I'm going to bring this back around. I'll add some different size circles right here. And then up here, let's make some ribs. We're going to make some points that curve around and come back up. So we'll do that again. And we'll just do one more right there. I'll make another bone shape over here. We'll make 2 bumps, and then 2 bumps. 2 lines to connect it. We'll put a circle on each end. I'll make 3 little kind of pointy shaped bumps in there. And then I'll make a little kind of wavy spiral line right here for some detail. Right here, I'm going to make some teardrop shapes by the tail. And then I'm going to make some little bumpy lines that come right around here for some more detail. Then I'm going to make some little bone shapes coming right down the tail. So we'll make several little bone shapes right here. And then we'll put some circles in between here. Then right inside of here, I'm going to make a little outline shape of the spikes in here. We'll do this inside each one. We'll just put these little outline shapes in here. Just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Day of the Dead Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.